request all the students. So these books are especially useful for JRF. Okay. I think all of you got syllabus. Have you got syllabus? Yes. So when you are looking at your syllabus, the particular topics, whether the topics are available or not in these books, you have to glance. Okay. If the topics are not available, the end of the every syllabus they have given some reference. Is it? In syllabus they have given a reference. What book you should refer, which book you should refer. If you are not getting content in particular books, you have to note down that book. If you come with that book titles and author name, if you give me that list, I will keep in the library subcommittee meeting. Then we will purchase what actually required for 6th Gene committee. Okay, especially syllabus is totally changed for especially your batch. Okay, every day you have to look at the syllabus. Don't sit in silent in the classroom. If you are sitting silently means you never get content what you need. That's what every day you have to approach the teacher. Then you have to know that what kind of authors books, what kind of reference book I should refer. Then only you can easily clear all the subjects, all the course. Otherwise it's very difficult. You know, these books are purely related to JRF. I think some of the books are related to even 6th Gene committee also. That's what, just follow all the instructions. Okay, then also especially all the titles. If you are writing titles, then you can easily find whether this title is in your syllabus or not. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?